Veterans helping veterans in project management. In recent years, veterans have come together to support one another in the world of project management, creating a community that offers mentorship, guidance, and resources for those looking to advance their careers in this field. The power of community and collaboration. One of the key aspects of veterans helping veterans in project management is the sense of community that is fostered. By connecting with fellow veterans who have similar backgrounds and experiences, individuals can find a support system that understands the challenges they may face. Teamwork and mentorship. Veterans in project management often excel in teamwork and collaboration, which are essential skills for success in this field. By working together, veterans can leverage each other's strengths and experiences to drive project outcomes effectively. Guidance and experience sharing. Within the community of veterans in project management, mentorship plays a crucial role. Experienced veterans provide guidance to those who are newer to the field, offering valuable insights and advice based on their own experiences. Veteran-owned and veteran-led organizations. Many veterans in project management have gone on to establish their own organizations, focusing on helping other veterans succeed in this field. These veteran-owned and veteran-led organizations provide training, networking opportunities, and resources to support veterans in their project management careers. Empowerment and outcome-oriented approach. Veteran-owned organizations in project management are dedicated to empowering veterans to achieve success in their careers. Resources and networking. Through veteran-owned organizations, veterans in project management have access to a wide range of resources, including training programs, networking events, and career development opportunities. Veterans and veteran-led organizations. Veterans in project management are able to achieve success in project planning, execution, and delivery. Strategic thinking and project leadership. Veterans are trained to think strategically and lead effectively, skills that are highly valuable in project management. Project coordination and career development. Through mentorship and guidance from experienced veterans, individuals can enhance their project coordination skills and advance their careers in project management. Conclusion. In conclusion, the collaboration and support between veterans in project management create a dynamic community that fosters leadership, teamwork, and career development. If you are a veteran looking to advance your career in project management, consider joining this supportive community and exploring the resources available to you.